Hi friends, welcome to a beautiful rainy day here. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel YouTuber Viji. It is raining here and it is 20th of November Wednesday. So I am going to make something apt for this rainy day. As you know, kids are prone to cough, cold and fever during such rainy days. So I am going to make a kashayam using Karpuravalli leaf. It is called as Patta Ajwain in Hindi. I am going to make a kadha out of it. What is it called in English? I'll tell you later. So let's go to the kitchen and prepare this kashayam for my family. Here are the ingredients that I am going to use to make this drink. Here are some pepper. This is a piece of ginger. This is tulsi leaf. This is called as Kaya Kalpa leaf. In Tamil it is called as Thuduvalai. This is the Karpuravalli leaf in Tamil. It is called as Patta Ajwain in Hindi. So I am going to use these three herbs with ginger and pepper. I will show you how to make this. And for the sweetness, I will be using some country sugar. So I will show you how to prepare it. First of all, you have to take the pepper and slightly you have to crush it. And you have to add it here. Now again I am going to crush the ginger. So slightly I have crushed it. So I have added this one also. Now to this I am adding these leaves. Now we have to add water to this. I am preparing it for 3 of us, for me, my husband and my daughter. I am adding 3 glasses of water. You have to reduce it to half. I mean it has to boil till it gets reduced to half. So now I am going to boil it. I am putting it on the induction stove to boil. It has started boiling. Now it is reduced to half. Now it is done. I am filtering it into a cup, and finally we have to add some country sugar for taste, and the drink is ready. Come on, let's enjoy. I hope this video was useful to you. The health of your family is in your hands. We have to take care of ourselves as well as our family. So always be precautioned about the weather changes, and you can try simple remedies like this and give it to your family once in a week or twice in a week, so that they won't be affected by cough, cold, and the immunity will be good. So I hope this video was useful to you. If so, please hit the like button, because I am going to come up with many more interesting videos. Importantly, it will be related to winter. Since it is the winter time here, I am going to post many more winter care recipes which will be useful for you in winter seasons, and I will also be posting some skin care routines for winter, hair care routines for winter. So stay tuned on my channel. See you in my next video. Until then, bye bye. Take care of your family. Always stay healthy and happy. Bye bye.